Going here, Phoenix Typewriter, working on this raw O model, and I found a problem with the shift. Yeah, it's doing something funky with the lift, and I've kind of narrowed it down back here to this assembly here. When it's in uppercase, you can really see it. The whole carriage moves. It's got movement in here. It shouldn't be moving. See if I can reproduce it. So seem to want to do it now. Put it back down here and see. Oh, there it is. So you can see this nut right down in here where the pivot is at right there is moving. So that nut right there, that shouldn't be moving in that bracket. I'm gonna take this back panel off and investigate what I call a live repair. So I haven't gone any further besides analyzing the problem. And we're going to take a look and see if there's something we can do to improve that, because I don't like it. And I think it's still quite usable, but there's some type of weird binding when it shifts, and I know it shouldn't be there, so let's see if we can get. Oh, don't tell me this covers. Oh boy, more has to come off this to get this loose. Let's see. So what the cover back panel flies off on these. Okay, maybe it's just stuck. Yeah. Get this back panel off without taking the rest of the cover off. Okay. So I can see that pivot a little better. It's definitely loose. Let's try this other side. It's definitely loose. Oh, look at all that. All the play in there. So that piece right there, it's got like a little ball joint. All that movement. Holy smoke. I'm going to see if this nut will tighten. Put this in uppercase here. See if this nut will turn. And this is loose. This nut shouldn't have turned that easily. Well, I don't think. And it's tough to get this wrench in there. Okay, you got one turn out of it. And then this nut is like the lock nut here. There's two nuts there. We got a lock nut and the other nut. There's a different wrench in here. See if I can get this to turn a little. It might be the end of the. There it goes. Just got another little turn out of it. Now the thing is, though, this other nut has to get tightened down. And that looks even like a tougher nut to crack here. Let's see if I got a wrench that fits this. Well, there's not much clearance in here for anything. And that other nut is definitely, it's like a lock nut here. It's definitely loose. Once the turn, there it goes. I need just a little bit on that to tighten it up. Not get the rest of it here. Does not to fit. Oh, there it goes. Okay, that did not take much to get tightened. Besides, okay, let's try this movement here that I was getting before. Okay, no movement now. Let's see if it still binds. These lights out of the way. Wow, that fixed it. Well, I'll be nice. It feels smooth all the way now. So those were just loose, those little pivots. These little pivot points back here, right back here, right there, was loose. Right there. Wherever that nut is. I don't know if I've ever seen that before on this machine. So yeah, that nut right there needed to come out almost a full turn, and then this guy needed to be tightened up, and that's the pivot right there. So now there's virtually no side-to-side movement, but it's still free, and there's no bind. It's still I can see it. I can see it shifting a little bit. I'm going to leave it like it is. So. Well, that's good. There's just a little bit of movement in there. Okay, that's I guess that's how you fix typewriters. I don't know. You gotta do some analysis and then fix it. But that's good. I'm happy with that. I was concerned it's gonna have some type of deal breaker on this one. Alright, Phoenix Typewriter. Good day.